Freedom in mind, faith in words, pride in soul. Let's salute the nation on this Independence Day. Hello everyone, I'm Kashish from class 10, the E5 school. Today I feel so much proud for delivering the speech in front of you all on the occasion of Independence Day. India is the largest democratic country in the world, celebrating its 74th Independence Day on August 15, 2020. So this day is celebrated for the memory of the freedom fighters that have laid down their lives so that our country can celebrate this day. इतनी सी बात हवाओं में बताए रखना, इतनी सी बात हवाओं में बताए रखना, रोशनी होगी चिरागों को जलाए रखना। लहू देकर की है जिसकी हिफाजत हमने, लहू देकर की है जिसकी हिफाजत हमने, ऐसे तिरंगे को अपने दिलों में बसाए रखना। Every year on August 15, the nation unites to celebrate this occasion with huge enthusiasm. But this time, it will somewhat different. Due to the coronavirus pandemic, people are requested to stay at the homes and social distancing. This year, only 250 people have been invited. Among us, the thousands of the people's crowd are there in the Red Fort. The celebration will be constituted. Mr. Narendra Modi's speech, 21 gun salute, the national flag hosting and the national anthem. At last, the balloons of tricolor will be released. Prime Minister will present a new outline for the self-reliant India, and then the military band will be shown at the huge screen during the event and social medias also. Let's proud to be the part of this nation and host the tricolor very high. वो जिंदगी ही क्या जिसमें देशभक्ति ना हो, वो जिंदगी ही क्या जिसमें देशभक्ति ना हो, और वो मौत ही क्या जो तिरंगे में लिपटी न हो. Last but not least, our independence is priceless. So let's renew a place for the nation's unity so that we can live with peace and harmony together. Stop. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you.